Hey y'all, hey. So people are lined up already at 6:50 in the morning to get some cleaning supplies, disinfectants.
Tommy bites, Tommy bites, Tommy bites, Tommy bites, Tommy bites, Tommy bites, Tommy bites.
So I got up early this morning. I went to Walmart and I went there with the intention on finding Lysol. So this is what I have right here. And then I got some other things while I was in there waiting for people to get out the way so I can get mine. So I got some Italian dressing because I ran out yesterday when I made pasta salad. I got the grandkids, some of these right here. Cheese puffs, that was $1.84. Oh, I forgot. The Italian dressing was 92 cents. These were $2.84, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Yeah, $2.67 for the Lysol. This right here, plates were $1.84. Then I also got this disinfectant wipes. These were $3.84. Lemon scent. Oh, it has other scents in there too. Fresh scent. Then I got some eggs, 18 for $1.67, and a paper towel roll. My non-food haul.